Cooking with Shy chicken broth, extra virgin oil. And we got linguine, we got some onions, some pepper, some scallion, lemon pepper season. Then we got the jerk spice, and then we got some rosemary with sea salt. And then we got the shrimp, and then we got the Alfredo, obviously no dairy. So I poured that chicken broth in the pot, and then I poured the olive oil in the pot, and then you just mix it all around. Then you pour and dump all these ingredients in the pot, mix it around as well. And then you pour the shrimp, mix it around as well. I add oat milk to my boiling water with the linguine. And voila, shrimp is done, y'all. And pasta is done. Add the Alfredo to that and then the shrimp. And obviously mix that around together. Once you mix it around, boom, look at it. This is it. And voila.